How to make an image a circle.png file using Circle Crop Image Tool for free. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. On my desktop, I've got my YouTube channel's logo. I'm going to double click on it just to show you what that logo currently looks like. As you can see, it's a square logo. The edges are sharp. I'm going to round these edges and turn the logo into a circle. The remaining background edges that aren't part of the circle will be transparent, as this cropping tool will make your image a .png file. Let's get started. So open up your browser and navigate to the following URL address: circlecropimage.com. Once you're here, right in the center, you should see Upload Image. Click on that button and then look for your image. The image that I want is on my desktop. I'm going to click on it to select it, and then I'm going to click on Open. Once your image has been uploaded to circlecropimage.com, you can adjust its position by left-clicking on it and then moving it to the appropriate position that you want. Underneath your logo, there's a slider where you can zoom out or zoom in your crop. So I'm going to zoom out and just zoom back in just a little here, just to get my logo as big as possible. Once you have adjusted your circular crop to your liking, scroll down a little more until you see where it says crop and download, and click on it. Your newly rounded cropped image will then be downloaded. Now I'm using the Google Chrome browser, so I'm going to navigate to the top right hand corner. I'm going to click on the downloads icon, and then I'm going to click on the cropped circle image.png file. This will then open up and display our newly rounded cropped.png image file. And that pretty much concludes this video. We now have a perfectly circular cropped image. Circlecropimage.com is an excellent online tool, and it's great for logos, as you've just seen in this video demonstration, also profile pictures, social media pictures, and design projects which you may be working on. If you enjoyed this short video demo, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.